Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the solution of generated AI shortcut tool. For that just subscribe to our channel. To start the lab, click on the start lab button. So it is showing that we have to wait for 7 minutes. Let's wait and watch. So our lab is started. So copy this URL and open it in a normal window. Paste it here, press enter. So in this lab we have to interact with the chat application. So for those who just want to end this lab, you can go to quiz option and select answer these two quiz questions and get a congratulation pop out, and then you can click on the check my progress. But those who are interested to interact with the chat application, so click on the chat. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down. So copy this command, go to the chat application, click on the second option, Helga. Now paste the command here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this fifth command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this first command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this second command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this third command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this fourth command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this fifth command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction. Now we will be gonna to answer the quiz. So from this arrow you can go back, click on the quiz option. So first question is, which famous automobile manufacturer has its headquarters in the Stuttgart? So its correct answer is Mercedes-Benz. Now you can navigate to second question. Which is the name of the annual folk festival held in Stuttgart that is the one of the largest in the world? So its correct answer is second option is correct, Cannstatter Volksfest. Now you can complete this quiz by clicking on this complete option. So you get a congratulation which mark that you has completed this lab. Now go back to the lab instruction. Just click on check my progress. So it will take few seconds to update. Click check my progress until you get a green tick here. So finally we get a green tick. Now you can end this lab. Now click on the end lab button. So we have completed this lab. If you want to get such amazing solution for arcade, just subscribe to our channel. We regularly post all the lab solution. We have recently posted arcade June 2024 week 1 solution. You can access the playlist. Like and share the video, and thanks for watching.